Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport AC blower not working and provides a general overview of situations where the cabin blower may stop operating or fail to deliver airflow through the vents. An AC blower not working condition is discussed here as the absence or reduction of air movement inside the cabin, regardless of cooling performance. This explanation remains general because HVAC system design, control logic, mileage, usage patterns, and maintenance history can vary by model year and configuration, and the issue may not apply to every Ford EcoSport. In reviewed technical and service-related information, a non-operating blower is treated as a functional condition within the HVAC system rather than a single confirmed failure. In some situations, blower operation may be affected intermittently depending on operating mode, temperature settings, or electrical load. Older generations may experience different blower behavior due to normal wear over time, while newer models could still show airflow-related concerns depending on usage, environmental exposure, or prior repairs. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, AC blower concerns are typically evaluated through inspection and diagnostic checks rather than assumptions. Some situations may involve verifying blower operation and related controls, while other cases may require further evaluation if a verified condition is identified. Driving environment and maintenance practices can also influence HVAC system performance. In conclusion, an AC blower not working in the Ford EcoSport can have different explanations depending on vehicle generation, system configuration, and operating conditions. Understanding that blower-related issues are not identical across all vehicles helps ensure accurate evaluation and appropriate next steps. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.